How to get WhatsApp Meta AI.
Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started.
So first of all, open WhatsApp application on your device and log into your WhatsApp account. After that, you just have to make sure that you are updated to a latest version of your WhatsApp. For that, you just have to go to your Play Store and search for WhatsApp application, and here check for any updates. If updates are available, simply tap on update and update your WhatsApp application first. Then after, go to the WhatsApp and go to the chats where you want to use the Meta AI, and here at the bottom you'll get the chat box. So simply tap on it and you just have to type at the rate Meta AI, and you'll be able to use Meta AI on this chat on WhatsApp. So here in my case, in this country, Meta AI features is not available yet, but it might be there on yours. So you can simply try this method to get the Meta AI on WhatsApp. If not, you are not getting the features, you just have to wait till the WhatsApp brings these features to your area.
Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.